Hi guys, so I'm so excited to tell you that Dollar Tree DIYs are coming back. These have always been my favorite videos to make, and they just bring me so much joy. And also, they help me decorate my home on a budget. So, I'm starting today with this simple, so simple and quick. It's not even a DIY to be completely honest, it's just like a very useful decor piece. So, I have been seeing these nightstand water decanters, and for a while I actually wanted to buy one, but they can be kind of pricey, especially if you want like a nicer one, something with two cups instead of one. And then you have to buy like a tray for it too if you want it. But I only spent $2 on this DIY. You could spend three if you buy the cups yourself, but I already had glass cups in my home. I'm sure you do too, so you probably don't need to buy any. But for the top, I had originally planned to just use this like plastic cup from the Dollar Tree because this was the only one that I could find that would fit over the glass jar or vase. So I did buy this one, but once I got home, I realized I didn't even need it because I found this candle top from an old candle that I have from like TJ Maxx, I think, and it fit perfectly. And I think it looks even better than having a cup on top of it. Now, if you do it this way, just make sure that you wash your candle top, just so you get like any fragrance out or anything like that. But it fit perfectly. I tried a few other candle tops, and a couple of them actually fit. So you might be able to find something like this in your home already, and that is pretty much it. I don't know about you, but I walk around my apartment with my emotional support water cup, and so I always keep it next to me on my nightstand before I go to sleep as well. And I just love the idea of having this instead of my water cup just because it looks way better. It looks so luxurious, and I especially love the idea of having this in a guest room or just for a guest in general. I think it's such a great idea. It looks so elegant, so fancy, and also it will provide your guests with their own water supply as opposed to them having to ask you for water or just feeling like they're responsible for washing cups through the day or something like that. I don't know. So I just love this. I think it turned out so beautiful. And that is going to be it for this very quick decor piece. And stay tuned for way more DIYs coming up. I have so many great ideas, and all of them will kind of be this vibe, more like mid-century modern, just more modern, more up to date than what I've done in the past. And yeah, I'm just so excited to share all of that with you. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned.